Hello and welcome to another video. I'm Maz and today I'm doing another video on the F-Type. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to swap your start-stop button. Mine doesn't actually need to be changed, but I will show you how to remove and refit said part. So here is the start button. Mine is actually perfectly fine, but some of yours may actually look more like this. So in order to access that, simply grab your trim tool, poke along here, there we go. Is that enough? Yep, that is enough. There we go. The center console is now popped out. So let's take off this tab here. So pull on here and then that should release it. This connector only goes in one way. So let's put that away. And then let's get this off. Now with the screwdriver, just push in these tabs. There's 3 of them. So one here. Hard to do it with camera in hand, but see these tabs here? Push those in, like that. Okay, it's off now, so give it a push, or just let it drop. And there you go, the start-stop button is off. Now, like I said, mine is perfectly fine. But I know many F-types out there have either a sticky stop button, or the fascia has faded, or peeled off, or some of you may just prefer to have a different start-stop button. After all, the F-Type comes with this black starter button, as seen on here, or a bronze finish. So let's get that back in. And just a friendly word of advice, if you got the extended leather like I have, just be a bit gentle on it, as this is very soft Windsor leather. Basically JLR's equivalent to Napa leather. Time to show you how to put it back in. Obviously the first thing to do is to put the start-stop button back in its slot. Put it back in its slot. There we go, that clicked in very nicely. Put this reverse back in, make sure it's one way. Okay, so that's clicked in now. Moment of truth, so foot on the brake, press the button. Yep, that works perfectly fine. Turn it back off. And obviously put this back in its place. It all clicks in nicely. And here is the finished result. It's the same one as before, but this can still be useful for those who need to replace theirs. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching me show you how to remove and refit, or in some of your cases, replace your start-stop button. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you are new, ring the bell to step to speed, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.